I warmly welcome everyone in our great global family. Thank you, God. Thank you to Mr. Ashmafare, a man of all heart, who has now given us in our hands to make our dreams and desires come true. Created for the next generation, our roots. He has seized this opportunity with humanity to recover in this devastated world and still dare to hope and live. Thank you to our technical team, our leaders. Our lives change, we have new goals, dreams because we saw the light at the end of the tunnel. What Mr. Ashmafare showed me where he led us. If all your dreams come true, never forget, be good until death. Thank you Unpassive. Thank you Go Founders. God bless everyone. Ildiko Andres, Romania. A Bill Must production.